Next, we will see controlling, means how to control the business, how to control the all levels of the management, and how we should have to function of the management, and what are the effective planning we will see by doing the controlling of the things. Why? Because when we are doing the controlling, we have to see the planning, how the planning is taking place. So that we are going to study in this part. So let us discuss. So this is the process of controlling. Now first we will see standard. So you have to see your standard, how your standards are having, means if you are having a good quality of product, then you are having a good controlling, or you are managing a people to give a good product to you. So their standard of level will be increase of yours. Measurement of performance, how you perform in the company, that was also measured by the management or by the coordination, or you can say by the manager, that how you are performing. Comparison and finding deviation, means how you work in the company, you are working towards the company or you are against the company, that deviation will be compared by the people who are working over there. Corrective action, means if the things are wrong, done by wrong by you, then there will be people to correct you and he will take immediate action on you. Analyzing cause of deviation, means he will analyze, means how much productivity or how much production you have done in the company, so that deviation will be analyzed by the upper level. So this is the controlling of doing the things in the business organization. Here is a definition. You will write a Philip Kotler definition, one of the actually management philosopher. He said that the control is a process of taking steps to bring actual result and desired result closer together. So what are the process we have to see from the actual result, then we have to see the desired result. Okay, what the people used to decide of doing the work, that was the thinking of the Philip Kotler. We'll see the first point, fulfilling goals of organization. Controlling is a function of measuring the performance at every possible stage, finding out the deviation, if any, and taking corrective actions according to plan activities for the organization. Thus, it helps in fulfilling the organization goal. See, when you are controlling a functions, you are controlling a performance also. Why? Because people are working in the different sectors or different activities they are doing in the company. So you have to see it in a proper way. If you are doing in a proper way, then it will fulfilling the organization goal. Means आप proper catch कर रहे हो, आप उसके ऊपर proper observation रख रहे हो कि what the people are doing, that performance you are seeing, and that will be fulfilling goals of organization. Second is making efficient utilization of resources. So what this same only, whatever optimum utilization of resources you are having, that resources you have to use in a company in a proper way, and at the lower cost also, means that the if you are having a less machines or less time, you have to work in within that time, a specific time. So that is a standard of performance you are showing to the organization. Third is accuracy of standard. An efficient control system helps management in judging the accuracy of standard, whether they are accurate or not. Controlling measures are flexible in some extent. So accuracy of standard means how much you are showing accuracy in the goods where you are having your standard you are showing, means you have product many goods in a less time. So you have to be in a flexible way, so the management can see you in a proper flexible कि आप कितना काम कर रहे हो अपने कंपनी के लिए. So that will be seen by the management. So that will be the accuracy of standard. Motivate of employee. After setting standard of checking performance, they are communicated to employees in advance. Due to this, employees get an idea what to do and how to do. Performance are evaluated on their basis of employees are rewarded in the form of increment. So motivate of employee, if the employees are working in the company, means they are checking the performance, on the performance only they are getting the remuneration, means they are getting increment, they are getting bonus and some incentives, etc. on the base of their performance. Ensure order and discipline. When you are working in the company, you have to follow the order, whatever the order is given by the upper level, you have to obey, you have to respect that. And discipline play a very important role of maintaining of an organization. You have to respect the superior where you are working. If you're not having a good discipline, means the superior has an action to take immediate, and there will be the loss of your jobs. Now next is facilitates coordination. If you're having a good coordination in the company, means you're working, you are having a clear observation through the manager, means you are coordinating with, आप coordinate कर रहे हो उसके साथ. Next is physiological pressure. So what is the psychological pressure you are having? If you are performing, if you are having some problem, that has to be discussed within the colleagues or within the manager who is appointed by that work by you. Why? Because if you have any pressure from the company, you will not work properly. So this has to be a proper, mentally, physically you have to be fit for working or to show the performance. So some pressure has to be released from that work, that whatever the work is given, you have to work in a proper way. There should be no mental stress from that company. Ensures organizational efficiency and effectiveness. Now, if you're working in the company, if you're having a control of manager, means manager is responsible. Why? Because he's only appointed you. He is only giving you the motivating, or he's giving an order to ensure that you're working with the effectiveness. You are working hard for the company. So that will be the ensurety will be given by the manager who is over there, who is appointed by the management to look after you. So he will be the person to have a effectiveness on you. Builds good corporate image. Means if you are showing a good performance in the organization, or you are having a good standard and actual performance, that will lead to progress of business. If you are having that, means you are showing a good corporate image to the company, means the company will also cooperate with you to give you a proper goodwill in the business, and he will help you in some of the manners. Act as a guide. Means controlling function provides set of standard performance. Managers as well as subordinates working according to it. So managers and subordinates, they're working together on to achieve the proper work from the company. Wherever necessary, they can take help from other this standard, and they can achieve desired results. So they have to work with a unity form, and whatever the things they can get from the company, they has to be get by the management. Thus controlling function act as a guide for everyone. So controlling plays a very important role as a guide for everyone. Means he's guiding the people, he's guiding the manager to work in a proper way. These steps taken for controlling as an activity guide management while planning the future activity. So this is the explanation of guide, where the manager will guide you, or the upper level will guide you in a proper way to work in a favor of company. So this was the explanation of controlling, and next video we will see the third chapter.